Hi parents, happy Friday. It was a great week at school this week. All of our students enjoyed a wonderful Rosh Chodesh celebration. Our upper school girls made a delicious breakfast and decorated candles in anticipation of Channukah, while our upper school boys had a special Blintzes breakfast. How lucky are our kids? In lower school, we had a free dress day and an exciting Rosh Chodesh assembly. Our first grade class performed a very impressive presentation of what they are learning in Ivrit. We're so happy to be inviting parents back to campus slowly, and we really hope that we'll get a chance to see every one of you during our Hanukkah celebration. Kids had a fantastic time in Enrichment this week. We've added a new Israeli dance class with Mrs. Newman for our middle school girls, and all of the students settled into a number of outstanding classes taught by a variety of professionals. Art in our new makerspace, dance, coding, soccer. It was so much fun. We're so happy to be able to provide these awesome opportunities during the school day at no cost. Parent-teacher conferences are next Thursday, November 11th. On that day, there will not be any school for students. If you have students in lower school, you've probably already signed up. Please be sure that you specify if you will be here in person or virtually. If you need to change your sign-up, you can do that. They are editable. If you haven't signed up for lower school already, please check your email for links and sign up right away. Here's how we're going to conduct the upper school teacher conferences. Parents will have the opportunity to meet with as many teachers as they'd like. We've figured out a way to make that happen efficiently, but we need your help in pulling it off. Please use the links that are included in the newsletter to sign up by Monday. Unfortunately, we won't be able to accommodate parents who don't sign up in advance just because the schedule will be so tightly coordinated in advance. However, if you're not available to register for this particular date for any reason, all of our teachers are very accommodating and would be happy to schedule another time with you. We will be conducting virtual meetings in the morning for the upper school. You'll need to sign up for each teacher that you want to meet with. Each teacher will have a different Meet link. You can sign in from any browser. It doesn't have to be your student's Gmail account, but if it is, it will be easier for you. Meetings will be scheduled tightly and for just 5 minutes, so please be sure to arrive virtually early and be prepared to wait just a few minutes in the waiting room. Your teacher will admit you as soon as it's time. And please don't be offended if our teachers end the conferences right on time. It's only because they don't want you or anyone else to be waiting or to miss their scheduled time. Parents who would like to come to speak with the upper school teachers in person will sign up for a 1-hour time slot in the afternoon. If you are here in person, you don't need to sign up for each individual teacher. You only need to sign up for that hour time slot. When you come, you'll be able to meet with as many teachers as you want in that hour. These meetings will also be with individual teachers and for just 5 minutes each. For those who want to sign up for teachers that are not available at the times that they want, please feel free to reach out to that teacher and schedule another time. I want to encourage everyone to prepare for their conferences. We've sent you a link in the newsletter with some tips and some ideas for preparing so that you can make the most of it. Finally, just a reminder that school starts for everyone at 8:05 a.m. Students benefit from being in school on time or even a little bit early. It gives them time to settle into their day, say hello to their friends, and start their day with the whole class. When students arrive later, they miss out on those important opportunities, and classroom learning is often disrupted for them and others because every teacher wants to show respect and greet them warmly and catch them up on whatever it is the class is currently engaged in. Of course, we know emergencies happen, sometimes traffic can be unpredictable, and everyone is understanding about the occasional target. Have a wonderful and happy Shabbos, and we'll see you all next week.